How have you been doing so far with the Fijian alphabet? Today we are going to give you the remaining seven of the 23-letter Fijian alphabet. So, are you ready? Just like we did with the rest, all we need for you to do is to watch, listen, imitate. So we'll give you the 7 letters now, and after we do that 4-5 times, then we'll go back to the beginning and we'll say the whole 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. And hopefully you can say all that minus the 7 we're going to do today. You can say all that from memory because hopefully you've been practicing, and so it's all there, up there now. If you've done that, congratulations to you, well done. So are you ready? Let's do this. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Again. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Once more. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Okay, let's do this one last time. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Okay, now breathe in, and let's do this from the beginning, or all of it, the 23-letter Fijian alphabet. Ready? A, ba, da, da, e, fa, nga. I, cha, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ga. Ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ya. Got it? So if you can type it out or write it out all on a piece of paper, put it in your stick it up on your refrigerator so you can see it there every day, and practice till you can know it by heart, just as you know the English alphabet. If you're traveling in your car, if you're going in your car, test yourself and keep on repeating, okay, till you've got it up there just as you know the English alphabet. So there you have it. We've come to the end of the 23-letter Fijian alphabet, and that's the project for 2025. Since we've just started this year, hopefully you've got this, and once you have the Fijian alphabet clear, you have mastered them, then we will go on to some other exercises to test your knowledge, maybe some spelling exercises. So hit the like and subscribe buttons, and make a comment if you flew through commenting as well. Through things aren't clear, you can put a comment in the comment section, and in that way too we'll help grow the algorithm of this channel, and hopefully we can grow the channel. But for those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much for doing so and for liking the videos thus far. And we've just started 2025, and hopefully we will make this a successful year for learning the Fijian language. Okay, wait for the next one. Vinaka.